Hey guys, sorry, this is my third time doing this tutorial. My sister was being a complete bug out in the last tutorial, and she started crying. Okay, see, you can hear her, she started crying and whining, and everyone's asleep, so I had to stop her. I closed the computer. Can you hurry up? Sorry about that. I had to close the computer. When I do that, it stops recording and it freezes on the image. So, sorry about that. Let me just try to get to the tutorial. Okay, so we're gonna put this in a div. We didn't do that last time. I did the other one with me. So div, so we can change the content of it. Now we're gonna create variable, which you do in JavaScript by doing var t, which stands for title, document. Now right now, JavaScript has access to the document because it's a script. It's a browser scripting language. Thus, sorry about that. I was uploading the video. Apparently, somebody caused it to stop working. So let me just delete this video. I don't really need it. As you can see, I'm keeping my videos. I've only done 2 videos though. Sorry about that. Explain the last video why. Anyway, sorry. Okay. So now JavaScript, since it has access, since it has access, since it's a browser script, it has access to the document. So document dot. You know how you do write to the document. So now we're gonna be getting from document. So we start by get element. Now you know what an element is in HTML. An HTML tag is an element for that. So we want to get the element. Now how do we want to get the element? By ID. So we type in get the element by the ID. Now we have to provide an ID for it to get the element by. So title. Now like this, if we try to access it, it'll say object HTML something. It won't actually give us the value. To get the value, since it's a tag in the HTML, if it was a input field, we have to do dot value to get it. So now we'll do this for the body by changing this, doing the same thing, but by changing this to body, changing this to B. So basically right now, if you run this, that var t, variable t, holds this text, and variable B holds that text. Okay. So now, since we created a variable, it gets the value. So document dot get element by ID dot value equals. Oh, sorry, in the HTML. Now we said equal, so that allows us to change it. We can get the value, we can change it. So right now we're changing it. So now title. Since we're not receiving the data, we don't have to put in a variable. Now we want to do the same thing for body. Okay. So now if you click edit, you see the values run away because we did that and we changed the value, but we haven't set it to something. So let's click input, type, text, ID, E, title, E for edit. The reason we want that is we're gonna have to access the value from that later on. E title, value equals T. Basically, remember how in the script, the search engine stores, we broke in and out of PHP by doing this? Yes. So that's basically the equivalent, but instead of doing those dots, we do plus plus. You can break out with double quotes or single quotes, whichever you want to go. So now, as you can see, we got this, changed it to this, and now the person could, right now, when they edit, it's not really doing anything. Okay, and I forgot we need to do this for the edit field, because sorry about that. Little sister is being good. Anyway, so if we do this, then we suck in edit mode. I won't be able to change it. I mean, if you see, like, when you click it, it says save changes. Right. Input. Oh, we don't want to input text. Okay. You need to stop doing that. Sorry, I was talking to my sister. Sorry, I was talking to my sister. Yeah. E-body. And remember, we want to break in and out so we can put the value B. We want to set the columns. Col, because 45 rows, 50. And as you can see what happens. Alright, now. Okay, now we want it's a body ID equals. See, we don't need the ID for this actually, to tell the truth. Alright, done. Remember, we're breaking it up. Now, because the ID is there, now we can set the ID to 1, but then we have to create a script. We have to replicate the script for every single one we want. So we just set A, and that way we send it the ID. And we'll be able to send it to the other scripts that it's using. So we do this, that changes to done, and I'll do the done. Okay, so that's where we'll leave out. I forgot to check the time, and I don't know what it is. I don't want it to be too long. So, catch you guys later.